How we work is going to change more in the next 20 years than most of human history.
So it's not just a digitally native company that needs to get digital savvy. I think every company in every industry has to.
Don't imagine that you can develop a strategy for the digital part of your business and leave the rest of it alone.
You know, nothing changes if nothing changes.
We are never the same. What we did last year isn't necessarily what we're going to do this year.
I think what we need to have is an interest on the part of the people who are doing the actual work on changing that process.
So you really have to be willing to disrupt and say, what are the metrics that are going to make me successful in the new digital age?
If you're not disrupting yourself, you're at risk for that disruption to hit you from the side. You've got to be the one challenging.
The bricks and mortar of education is not relevant to them anymore. They want something that's more flexible.
You have to have the imagination and the creativity and the generosity to allow other people to be in their space and not make it about you.
Ultimately, if people feel powerful, they probably are.